We've all used so many organisation and productivity tools. I'm sure you've had a dabble in Trello and created a board that you want to use, and now you've found Notion and you want to create and use Notion all the time. So you want to get all of the information that you've created in other tools into Notion. So I'm going to show you how to import that data. What you need is logging on to Notion, and also log on to the tool that you want to import. So if we look here, I am logged into Trello and I've got a board here that I want to import for client onboarding. So if I reduce me down, we're in Notion here. So if you look at the navigational tools, there's an import option here. And it will show you all of the different types of tools you can import from. So you've got Evernote, Trello, Asana. I am going to do it from Trello. And because I'm already logged on, it will let me go through all of that, agree to what you've got. And it will authenticate it. So it only connects to your Trello account for 30 days. And then it shows you all of the boards that you have, and you can import them all, obviously, or you can import specific ones. So I'm going to import a specific one, which is the one that I just showed you before. And there we have it. It will eventually show me. There we go. There we've got it. So we've got all of the information that's on it. So any files that are linked into it, if on your board or cards you have images, excuse me, or files attached, they will also be imported. The only thing that I have found that doesn't get imported is that background image, and that's because Notion has a clean layout and doesn't support any background image.